I'm very grateful because it's been very rough. Being a single mother is hard for me. Yeah, but I'm so elated. And I don't know how to tell her thanks, Minister, from my heart.
Thanks be to God. I can walk on this road, I can dance, I can skip. The people then say coming like Baba Green already.
Just some of the beneficiaries of the work of the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development.
Local government as a policy has significantly changed the lives of our people by improving, developing institutions of national resilience as well as national advancement. Our efforts have set the stage for doing more.
The ministry, through Portfolio Minister Desmond McKenzie, has embarked on an all-island rural development tour. The aim, to get a first-hand look at the needs of citizens, addressing them one community at a time. The ministry recently zoomed in on the constituency of North Central Clarendon. First stop, a tour of the island's first water shop at Pennants.
I want to commend the mayor and especially the caretaker who have maintained this facility. I'm really proud to see that this facility has been well kept and that the community has found good faith in it and has been utilizing the water that we have provided, and we will continue to do so.
But the need for water in North Central Clarendon remains.
Godwood, where we're going to be putting down a 20,000 gallon water shop, and we're moving on to Bedford Crawl, where we're going to be putting in a 16,000 gallon water shop to try to deal with the needs of the communities who are really struggling. We have seen the situation as it relates to the water, piped water in the area, and we have just identified a couple locations which is owned by the government.
Right.
And we are now proposing 20,000 water shops at that location. The municipal corporation will work with the Ministry of Technical Team, and they're doing the assessment as to see how quickly we can start, because wherever we go and find that there is an immediate need for water, we would use all the emergency procurement guidelines that exist in order to carry water to the nearest communities.
Even as the government works to put in long-term solutions to the water woes, the local municipal corporation has been trucking water to affected communities.
We're going to be providing allocations to the municipal corporation to purchase another water truck for the parish of Clarendon.
Next on the agenda, road infrastructure. While some roads are in excellent condition, this cannot be said for others.
There are some other roads that we drove on today that is desperately in need of attention. The technical team is going to be working with the municipal corporation to attend to at least one of the roads that we drove on today to see how best, and especially that road that takes the community to the school.
Yes.
I think it is critical. Pinders Valley. I think it is critical, and we're going to be paying attention to that.
Water, check. Road, check. And now housing.
We see where you're living, and we have commenced the process for us to give you one of the indigent, social indigent housing program under the Ministry of Local Government. I understand that you have place over on the other side across for us to build the unit. Miss Lewis and the Inspector of Poor, they will come back to you shortly to conclude the investigation. As soon as the investigation is completed, we're going to commence the construction of the unit for you. Just to tell you in advance, we're going to build your house and furnish it for you so you can be and it is going to be disabled friendly. We have identified so far 3 of the cases so far. One is ready for action because they have the title for the place, and we are going to be moving expeditiously in putting down the housing solutions for the social housing program under the Ministry of Local Government Indigent Support Program.
That's it for North Central Clarendon for now. Other constituency visits are being planned, with Hanover being the next stop on the tour. Who knows, your community may be next, so stay tuned as the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development continues to prepare Jamaica for first world status through the institution of local government.